for charging infrastructure now. We've reduced the charging station to a very lean, technically lean socket at the wall, and we place the billing electronics into the charging port, into the little box. So you only need it once per car, and all you need for authorization and billing communication is in that little box. Meaning, you only need that socket wherever you want to charge, and you can do intelligent charging with billing by just installing a socket, because the user brings a little mobile device and it comes together with the electricity supply contract that's bundled to that mobile electronics, as here, one contract, one phone, and that's very similar from the idea. So it's highly efficient because the car does not only want to charge in one place, but typically in many places. So you only have one device in many places, many sockets, one device.
So the owner of the car owns that takes that box around with them?
Yeah, typically.
And it plugs into a normal
it's
socket.
registered, the contract for that little box, the mobile meter, is registered in the car's owner's name typically. And so you take the contract with you and your electricity supplier with you, and the charging station is just that little socket. That can be included, and we will see that as next stop on our little tour here, in a light post. And a light post as well, completely included, so you're able to intelligently charge at the light post or here. And you only have to install a socket. That's really important because typically charging stations incur quite high operating costs for billing, metering, communication, and that socket does incur pretty much nothing. A little bit of maintenance, but that's all because it's just a passive charge spot and not an active one. So, currently we do field trials with our prototypes. It's about another year to go before we are in series, so next summer should be the series start. And we use it currently in Europe, mostly. So mostly in Germany, of course, and we are in France and in Switzerland and Austria.
Norway?
And yes. And so we are working on the United States currently. The partner who will commercialize the hardware, so the socket and the cable, is a US-based company. It's Tyco Electronics, or now TE Connectivity. So we are very close to the American market as well, but we're focusing, well, small company still, we are focusing on the European market in the first place. But of course, the US market or even the Asian market, these will be the markets of the future as well.